So I stitched this together, and I have basically a long tube, and I want to turn it into a true pocket, so I want to stitch the bottom together. I want to take a piece of yarn, put the ends together so that I folded it in half. Now I'm going to make the letter S out of my yarn, making sure that all parts of the S are equal, and that's going to give me pieces of yarn that are the same size. I find that a lot of people get confused when they're folding in thirds, so the S method seems to work really well. So now I have my pieces, they're about the same size. I'm going to take one, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to put the loop through the needle, the eye of the needle, so not the end, the loop. And when this is closed together, I am going to hook my warp strings first, push my needle through just so that the loop goes, and now I'm going to put my tail pieces through my loop and pull. Repeat, so that goes in half. I'm going to put the loop through the eye of the needle just a little bit, hook the two warp strings. If you get a little bit of yarn in there, it's fine. All right, pop through just the tail. You might want to hold on to this piece down here so it doesn't all go through. Now take the tail, put it through the loop, and when you see my other hand here comes in, I am guiding, I am pushing so that that knot is going to be right at the base of my weaving. So you want to do this across all warp strings on the bottom, so that's going to give you, let's see, they're pairs, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You might want to have more fringe than that, so you could go back with a different color or the same color and create more fringe with Ryan knots by going back and hooking just the loops of yarn that you see in between here. So they're not, do the warp strings first, because that's what's really going to hold it together, and then you can add in some extra ones. So that's it for adding the fringe on the bottom. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you guys produce.